JLab wants the Epic mechanical keyboard to be a useful tool for those that want to use a mechanical keyboard in the office but don't want the trademark click-clacking to irritate coworkers. The Epic mechanical keyboard will use Kale silent brown switches to keep the noise levels low. The Kale silent brown switches have a dampening system that reduces the overall noise of each key press. Furthermore, Kale's silent brown switches are slightly lubed, which helps the movement of the switch, resulting in less friction and, therefore, less effort and noise while typing. The Epic mechanical keyboard supports Bluetooth and comes with a 2.4 GHz USB dongle for ultra-low latency connectivity. The 104 keyboard has a 2000 mAh battery and also has white LED illumination to help you type in darker environments. Subscribe and like for more.